understand the difference between the two terms damage and damages as far as law is concerned. When we talk about damage, it means some harm which has been suffered or some loss which has been suffered by the victim. So it could be a physical loss, it could be a mental loss, it could be an economic loss. So there the term uses damage. But when we use the word damages in law, it does not refer to damage in plural. In fact, quite the contrary. Damages is basically the compensation which a person would be receiving for any loss that he or she has suffered. Right? So there are different types of damages. One is liquidated versus unliquidated damages. Now, unliquidated damages are damages for which the amount or extent is not predetermined. Let us say I get abused by somebody in public, because of which I lose my reputation, there's a harm to my reputation, and I suffer a loss in my business. Now, how much compensation should I receive from the wrongdoer? Not something which can be predetermined, depends on the extent of loss which I have suffered. But on the other hand, if I had a contract with a person and it was clearly written in the contract, then in case of breach of contract, X amount would be paid to me. So even if the actual injury does not take place, every party knows what amount of damages are expected to be paid. So when the amount to be paid is known beforehand, those are liquidated damages. And if the amount is not known but depends on the circumstances, then that is known as unliquidated damages. And finally, an injunction. An injunction is nothing but a court order which tells the defendant to either do something, that is pay a compensation or give some sort of restitution, or it could be an order not to do something. Let us say I filed a case against my neighbor because he is playing loud music at night, and in case there is a merit to my case actually is in my favor. Then as a result, the judge can pass an injunction telling the neighbor, or rather ordering the neighbor not to play music at night. So it's basically a court order. Right? So I hope you understood the terms damage versus damages, what are liquidated versus unliquidated damages, and what is meant by an injunction.